Hey folks, doesn't moving make you crazy? Yeah, well, time to move. Short little update, let you know how it's going. Day one of the move. Yeah. Anyway, just be glad it's not you.
Today is Saturday, March 23rd. We have secured our new home, and Brian and the kids are beginning the process of moving. I'm taking a quick break. We'll see what's going on. Now, not everybody has the same ideas on what to move when. We're going to move all the bedroom sets over first. Hi.
Hey.
Oh, what? Oh, I thought that was a dog turd. I was like, oh my God, she shit right next to you. Okay, we're keeping that bookcase, right? We're not getting rid of that. We'll find room for that because I love it. Okay. All right. So anyway, yeah. So he's going to move over all of our bedroom sets first, and I guess for the next couple of weeks we're going to sleep on the couches. It doesn't sound like a lot of fun, but yeah. Okay. Anyway, the new place is on an island in South Tampa, and on the island is some bars and restaurants and hotels, and the apartment complex is in a gated community, which is nice. And I think she said there's 96 apartments there, but it is surrounded by water, obviously. There's a jogging trail, walking trail all around the perimeter of the complex. They have garages that you can rent. We will be on the 3rd floor, 3-bedroom apartment, and our bedroom window overlooks the vegetable garden. The apartment complex plants fruits and vegetables, and they're free for the picking. So we are right there, so we can see what's ripe right out the window and run out there and grab it all. So anyway, they also have a basketball court and a gym and a business center with like a conference room and printers and fax machines and whatever. I don't know. They're remodeling, so it's not open right now. They have, I think, 3 pools. They're going to have Wi-Fi out by the pools. They have a dog park. It's currently being refurbished. They had grass and it was all ripped up, so they're putting down AstroTurf and apparently a dog agility course or something out there. They have a putting green. They have boat slips, so you can rent a boat slip. They are putting out kayak stands. I don't know if it's to rent kayaks or your own kayak. Not sure. And what else do they have? Oh, they've got lots of grills all around the perimeter, gazebos and grills and benches and swings and all kinds of stuff. And then there's an area on the side that you can see the sunset. Apparently it's got gorgeous sunsets, and they have gas grills there, and it's an amazing property. And we got a really great price because our unit is not refurbished. It has not been upgraded. So it's outdated, not the best shape, but cheap because of that. And they actually made a mistake on the quote that they gave us. The misprint or whatever, it was like $400 less per month than it was supposed to be. So we negotiated out a good deal, paying the normal amount of rent, but threw in some perks for us to make it you know, enticing. So that's good. All right. Well, that's it. So, give you more later.
That's good. Are you okay that way? Yeah. Actually, I'm sliding with this blanket. Okay. I don't know how to fix it. Push the blanket all the way up. No, back. All the way up. Get your foot on the thing. When you lift it, then kick the blanket to the side. And once the blanket's to the side, you guys, you have to go down. You can't put this down on the steps. Yep. And Jesse? Yeah. Hey, if you're fighting it really hard, you're not doing it right. Ready? Yeah. We're good. Yeah. I'm coming. We're going near speed. That's the speed we're going. Okay, hold it, Quinn. You keep shifting it towards, tilting it towards the wall. Quit doing that, if you can. Please. Hold it, Quinn. You're tilting it towards the wall again. All right. Okay. Okay, we're on the bottom. Fuck. Oh, God. You good?
Yeah, almost.
Okay. Okay, let's set it down.
Yeah.
I would have taken the drawers out. It makes it lighter and gives you something to grab onto, but nobody asked me. Just not to interfere, but it is way easier if you take the drawers out.
Is that possible? Yeah.
There's little levers. It makes it so you have something to grab onto and lighter.
I don't know how to do it.
I can show you how if you want, but just... Okay. Right, they actually listened to me and they're taking the drawers out. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. What is this? The hell is that? Oh, I know what that is. That goes to that thing. It's gone. Dang it. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. It goes to one of my flower arrangements. Throw it in a drawer. Okay. It's muddy dusty. Okay. Right, that's the first time I think ever in the history of my marriage that they've listened to me about moving. Which means we're making progress. That's awesome. So I'm a little relieved and a little anxiety ridden about having to work while they're moving because I'm a control freak. But we've moved so many times that I know it ends up in a lot of heated moments, high stress levels. So part of me is glad that I don't have to be involved. But part of me is like, there's an easier way to do it. I was on calls, well, waiting for a call to come in, and I heard this big bang against my office door, and then yelling, because they were carrying that down the hall, and started, I guess, trying to maneuver the corner, and so I had to take the phone off the hook, because I couldn't have my customers hearing the F-bomb. So So I'm just going to take a little break for a couple minutes here. Let my heart rate slow down a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, so anyway, we're going to document our move. Day 1. Moving bedroom sets.
We'll do our best to keep you updated, let you know what's going on, show you the new place when we can. But the weekend just started for Wendy, so time to finally start packing up her stuff.
Your husband is calling. Stop what you're doing, calm down, and answer the phone. Your husband is calling. Stop what you're doing, calm down, and answer the phone.